Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. On today's video, we're gonna be making a yummy, delicious custard from scratch, easy to do, easy to follow. Without further ado, let's get into it. So we're gonna start off with some milk. We're gonna heat up the milk. Now, once you turn on the heat, you put it on the side, and then we're gonna start our mixture, the egg mixture. This is just 2 egg yolks, some sugar. Now you can adjust the sugar to however amount you want, and then the cornstarch. This would be for the thickness that you want at the end, and then some vanilla or any other flavoring that you might like. Then you just make sure that you mix everything thoroughly. So you make sure that you're mixing that completely, all of the powder as much as you can. You make sure that you can see, you can see the difference between all of the things that are in there. So you just mix it properly. I was just making sure that every single thing is mixed in. Now this is a very easy recipe, by the way. Does not take time at all. So right here, I'm just showing you as the milk is heating up. Now I'm stirring it so that it does not burn at the bottom. So as you're heating up milk, sometimes if you just leave it, you'll find that it has like a layer of like the milk that is held on to the pot. So just make sure that every now and again you move it about. And please watch out for milk. It goes from 0 to 100 just like that, and it will go from not boiling to boiling. So right here, I'm going to temper the eggs. So tempering simply means that I'm taking room temperature eggs and then putting in some oil, so that, sorry, not oil, some hot milk, so that it does not curdle. So I'm not gonna put that egg mixture straight into the milk. I'm gonna put in some of the hot milk first, mix that along, and then the eggs are rising slowly to the temperature of the milk. Then after that, I'm transferring that mixture into the hot milk back on the stove on low heat. Please, on low heat. If you don't do it on low heat, you're gonna have so many lumps. Granted, you can get rid of the lumps by like mixing it vigorously, but just so that you don't have to do that, temper your eggs, pour them in very low heat, like get it to, like on your stove 1 or 2, and if it's a very hot stove, the 1. So right here, I was just checking on the thickness. Clean hands, by the way. These are clean hands. Then I'm checking the thickness, so it coated the back. For me, that was enough, and I liked it, and I like the consistency. Now once it's also when it's off the heat, the consistency changes. It becomes even more thicker. So I liked the one on the stove. It was already getting to a thickness I liked, and then I knew that once I removed it from the stove, it's gonna get a little thicker. And then this is the point that I wanted. I like the liquidy one, but I will put the measurements for if you want like a thicker one to eat with like custard, sorry, not with custard, with jelly or so. But basically, that is the whole recipe. You see, simple, easy. And it's just a few places where I sped up the thing, but honestly, it's this simple. And that is just with the malva pudding. Tastes amazing, or just on its own, warm on its own, and it just tastes amazing. Now you can adjust the sugar, you can adjust the thickness by just adding or removing certain ingredients, which I will leave down below. Guys, that is the end of the recipe. I do hope that you guys enjoyed that, and I hope you'll try it. And until next time, bye guys, bye.